Hey y'all, I'm going to do my advent calendar before I go ahead and eat my food. So I got day 6 of Sadie stickers. Ooh, we got florals. So I'm assuming the florals go with the kit. So this is a rose, cute, lavender. Oh, okay. So, okay. Then these are like transparent looking swatches and stuff. Oh, self-care. And then swatches for self-care. So what you telling me is expect some more goodness. So that's day 6 of Sadie stickers. All right, day 6 of letters to Apollo. This sucker is thick. It's kind of cute too. She got like a little string here too. Yeah, to wrap this on like a present. Oh my god, it's like a little planner. And it's rose gold. Oh my gosh, and it's made in conjunction with print pressing. I don't know if you guys seen that. That's so cute. I like how small it is. So this is what it looks like on the inside. That's super cute. You can put your workouts, your schedule, must get done, secondary tasks, today's wins. Today I've learned, today I'm grateful for, notes, mark your meals, mark your water. That is cute. In the back, some daily affirmation. Y'all, this is too cute. So that's what the front cover looks like. That's what the back cover looks like. And then that's what the back inside looks like. In the front. That is so cute. Oh my God, Jessica. This is so cute. You see like a little design. I'm hoarding this. I'm never using it. Nope. Keeping it forever. All right. Last up is The Giving Girl. Ooh. So we got flight cluster deco. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you guys so you can actually see the foil. That is so cute. It's like the little things that used to blow, like as a kid, when you used to blow and see all the little white things like floating away. It's like those and butterflies. That is so cute. I'll just show you what a page look like here. So that's rose gold. That's gold. And that's silver. But I'm going to flip it around so you guys can see it. Oh my God, this is so cute.